I'm really impressed.
Yeah, I've never seen any of this sort of stuff at a functional fitness gym or CrossFit gym before, ever. Hey guys, I'm Joe Paps from KINTA, and today we're building Andrew Pap's gym.
Feel better for it?
Oh, not really.
Awesome. Well, that's out of the way. So we're actually decking out the garage with a wicked home gym, thanks to KINTA. This is something I've been looking forward to for a very long time. I work it from home, you know, a new father, family commitments, work commitments, all those things that everyone can relate to. Having something at the touch of your fingertips that you can go in at the start of the day, in the middle of the day, or after the day finishes is exactly what I need.
I'm really looking forward to the home gym because unlike some people who get the luxury of being able to leave the house, I don't as much. So yeah, Harper can watch what I do and we can do our own little thing.
Yeah, so the boys from KINTA, they're getting everything out. The whole driveway is covered in boxes and equipment. It looks chaotic out there, but it looks awesome. I work from home. I've got a stack of things to do. I meant to be in a meeting 20 minutes ago. So I've got to take calls, get on meetings, send emails, do all those things. I'll keep coming in incrementally and popping my head in to see how the place is turning out, but I'm really excited for it.
What we wanted to think about when setting up this home gym was really space and functionality, but for someone like Andrew, who's actually very, very active and does a wide range of different exercises, we wanted to be able to give him the most amount of equipment as we possibly could while conserving space. We've got our new K75 Series squat racks, which I am super excited about. They're very modular. What we're going to set up for Andrew is going to have a squat rack itself. He's going to have lat pull down, low row, and then adjustable cables, which is going to be pretty cool and sort of allow him to do quite a bit more training in his home gym, something similar to what he would actually get in the commercial gym. Over this side here, we've got a lot more of our functional free weights. So we've got dumbbells, kettlebells, a few barbells down here as well. But over here for Andrew, we've got tib bars. So Andrew does like a lot of running, in case people haven't seen already. Recently he's just ran, I think it was over 250 kilometers through the Swiss Alps. That's going to put a lot of strain and tension in his knees. So having a tib bar is really going to help with some recovery there, especially if he starts to get things like shin splints and sort of strains through there.
What's the most satisfying part of the build process like?
For me,
yes.
I would say seeing the finished product. Like wiping that last bit of dirt off and cleaning it, and then looking back at your work and be like, it's done, it came out perfect, and then see the customer happy as well.
Putting the handles on like the hooks and stuff, like the finishing touches that really make it look like it's done, right? So, and obviously seeing the customer happy is always like when they come in, they're all like, their face goes all shiny and like, oh.
I like unpacking stuff. It feels like Christmas. I'm not a Christmas person, but this is my Christmas.
So is this our first time building this particular rack?
Yeah, this all stuff arrived literally yesterday in a shipping container. So it's just got unloaded yesterday afternoon. This will be the first time it's actually been built.
I like building stuff for other people because you don't have to keep it. Because you can only build so many things for yourself until your house gets like all messy with a lot of shit.
On the side, there's actually like 3 upright posts on the side, and the weight stack will go on the front one.
I tell you what makes this rack like particularly special compared to other racks.
Well, this new series of racks, what we've sort of done, we've made it so it can be super modular, so you can set it up however you sort of want with all the upright posts. So this sort of squat rack here will be suited for someone who wants to do pretty much everything with the one unit. So off here you'll be able to do all your squats, bench press and what have you, a lot more free weight stuff. Then you can also do a lot of your cable work as well. It's lat pull downs, low rows. It's got the adjustable cables up and down, pec flies as well. When you get the full one of this, it does have the cable crossovers. And then, yeah, like I said, we've got 30 different attachments so far that can go with it, and that is going to increase as we come up with new products to add to the range. Right, halfway through our K75 squat rack. It's sort of pretty cool, so we're part way there. We'll see the finished product very soon.
Why is it called the K75?
So K for KINTA, and then the 75s delineates the thickness of the poles, the upright posts. So they're 75mm by 75mm. So we've got another series called the K60 series, which is 60mm by 60mm upright posts, which is a good alternative for someone who's actually looking to save a bit of money. And because you can do quite modular as well, just not as, I guess, rugged as the K75 series. 75 is what you'd be using like a commercial space or some of your big boys lifting big weights.
I am unpacking the bench and get it all together for it to be used. So with a little imagination, you have the bench here, and I'll build the frame.
Our HD pulley set up on our left hand side of the rig first, and then just got to thread the cables to the lap pull down low row, and that machine will be done from there, and basically the remainder of it's just packing up.
After that, Bob's your uncle.
Think Andrew will like it?
Probably not.
Disappointed.
Get the hell out of here.
Don't look. I'm looking at anything. Sorry.
Properly first.
So talk me through this thing, like what, did you develop this idea or?
I've seen similar versions of the cable attachment for the upright post. The one thing we haven't seen, which we're about to start doing, is enabling this to fit onto CrossFit rigs. So as you can see, with this at the moment, the cable comes over the top of the upright post here. And so obviously on most CrossFit rigs going to be 2.7 or 3.7-ish meters tall. So what we'll be doing is creating a larger laser cut hole at that specific point in our post. So picture this, but a bit bigger, and this cable will actually be able to thread through, allowing, say, yeah, CrossFit gyms, or gyms is just with rigs in general, it doesn't have to be a CrossFit gym, to be able to set up cable machines and just use that space more efficiently. So we've definitely seen a lot of customers of ours now requesting, like if they're strength and conditioning gyms, requesting more cable attachments for their rigs, or even like wall-mounted options. Yeah, I've never seen any of this sort of stuff at a functional fitness gym or CrossFit gym before, ever. So hopefully we'll be the first, or we will be, the first ones to be doing it.
With the old stickers, you could just take off the front and put them on as one. Now, yeah, put them on one by one.
So you've got what would be a normal turf you'd lay in your gym, but it's got a 10mm rubber mat on there, or it's adhesive to that. So all you're really doing is, as you can see, just jigsaws in, and because it does have the mat weighted down, so it's not going to bunch up or roll away on you or anything like that.
Or like it won't warp as well, like in crazy weather.
Yeah, won't warp. Won't. You see a lot of people who will just throw their AstroTurf down and maybe put some dumbbells or something on the end without adhesive in it, and they put a heavy sled on there, and the whole thing just sort of bunches and catches and follows the person. Whereas this just isn't going to do that. Like that. Nice magnets on there.
Wait, show me how that works. So there's no need for like that secondary pin on the other side to lock it in place.
Doesn't need the pin because it's got the little magnets just in there, so it'll hold it in place. And most importantly, it looks a lot better. Cool, so I've finished the gym now. It's looking pretty awesome. So let's go get Andrew and see what he thinks.
Jesus. Man, that looks sick. Holy hell, you guys have been busy, hey? Wow. That's epic.
So sort of get started from, I'll show you what everything actually is,
Yeah.
so you know what you've got to work with.
Looks so good. And it's actually super compact.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Isn't
That's
it?
why I think it was a good idea disregarding that second part of the rig, so you still got access to the roller door there, which is good.
The adjustable cable, that's so good.
Yeah.
Look how many like, increments you got there too.
So you got plenty there. Then we've got put the band storage up there, so just get those ones out of the way.
Yep.
And basically what we do have is, there is a lot more attachments that come with it, so if you are after more things, there's more that comes with it.
Yeah, more toys.
But we do have at the moment a dip bar, which isn't on there right now, but that one,
huge. Mate, that's something I've been missing for like 6 months. This is sturdy as, hey? Don't mess around with good quality gear. Oh, that's cool.
after that one, we've got, this one's just like a knee pad sort of thing for your lat pull downs. Yeah, so you can just throw that on if you're sitting on your or bench or whatnot, so you can do your lat pull downs and not fly with your weight.
Yeah,
and it is a pretty, it's a heavy stack. It goes up to 125.
I saw that. Holy shit!
So you've got plenty of weight there to actually
get strong.
Pull. And this one here, it's like a low row pad.
Yeah, chest supported row.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got your pin there, so you can sort of set that to where you need.
Oh, you can also
sit on there for your low rows.
Perfect.
You can set up as like a seat as well if you set it lower, because it can go up to like flat.
Oh yeah,
there
true.
as well, which is handy. So with those different different adjustments, you can do a variety of different workouts.
You can also
turn to a seat.
I was just even thinking, getting up for like leg raises.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah,
in the deficit.
Or even like hip thrusts and whatnot.
Hip thrusts.
Put it lower, and then the fact you can lower it down like that, so you don't need to take it off to do your squats or bench and whatnot. Down here, so it's got those two little cables on there right now.
Yeah.
But just like any normal one,
yeah.
It's got your pin on this side, and that just adjusts. Like that. And then these parts here actually. So if you want to add resistance bands to them, you can do that. Yeah. So you can add a lot more resistance if you want, or
so
to
here,
exactly.
Right?
Yeah,
it's fixed
to the bottom,
fixed position. Yeah.
And it attaches up there. And that's not much on that one, but yeah, just on this one. And then after that, we've got two barbells, so one for you and one for Renee. So 20 kilogram men's bar, 15 kilogram.
Renee has the 20 kilos. I'll take
you've got the 15s. Okay.
Gotcha.
So yeah, it is. Who's rented the
That's kind, mate. Thank you. Yeah, exactly.
I know with you, it's definitely going to get a lot of use.
It's going to get thrashed. Yeah, absolutely. I know Renee's pumped. I'm going to be, and like I got with the sauna and the ice bath as well. Have some of my mates come around once a week and stuff. Have a bit of a throw down together and. This finish as well, like I don't know if it's powder coated or whatnot, but that colour, it's like almost looks like a gunmetal black or something. I don't know, this looks really nice. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a game changer. Watch this, boys. I'm gonna get it back for days. I like the stickers. Oh, these are just like maxing out to red. I don't know if we'll get to 125 kilos anytime soon.
Maybe it's a low row, who knows?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, maybe it's two of me. No, that's cool. I'm pumped, mate. So this is awesome. Thank you so much. You guys have smashed it. Big day. Big day. Thanks, lads. Big day. Good. Appreciate it so much. Oh, I'm pumped. I might do a few sneaky sets this afternoon. Break her in, and then tomorrow. Yeah, we can get started. It's got that new gym smell, the new car smell.
So you'll be one of the first people to have it.
Woohoo! How's that?
So just as is. Like I said, a lot of people get an AstroTurf and rolls.
Yeah.
They might put some dumbbells on the end, put a heavy sled on, and the end of the thing just follows them.
Correct.
And they sort of constantly go back and forth and
I've
fixing
had
it,
that
whereas
problem
this
before.
isn't going to happen with these ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, like rolling something out is going to be quicker.
Yeah, but also.
But it's like it's going to bunch up and whatnot.
Row, weights, straight into a sled. Pull it back. That's good length, that's great length.
Burpee broad jumps.
Burpee broad jumps. Yeah, don't have to get scars on my knees anymore. No. Yeah, I might actually run High Rocks Perth 2.0 here. So the guys are done and dusted with the installation, and honestly, I opened the door and looked at what they've done, and I can't believe how epic it is. Both like the finishing touches, all the attachments, the quality of the kit, and just how compact it is. But the versatility of everything I can do here. And as I've said earlier, just having the convenience of being able to open up the door from my house and then having an entirety of a gym there to help with my training, both from a performance aspect, to help me from day to day, putting me in the right state of mind. Having Renee, my wife, be able to train from home as well. I know she's busy, and I got little Harper as well. She's going to love being in here. So I've got a complete epic setup thanks to KINTA. Super grateful. It's going to get so much usage every day. And little Harper, hey, look what we got here, Dad. Look at the gym. How good. Hey, do you like it? So yeah, thanks guys. Looking forward to getting stuck in there. I'll definitely make you proud. Hey, Harper? Yeah. Say thanks, KINTA.
All my friends want to like come and use this as a recovery / gym center.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start charging on the side, like a side hustle.
Nice, I like that.
Come use the gym and the sauna and the ice tub.
Yeah. Yeah, so
Wow.
the ice tub we can still fit that with the chiller, which is great.
I
Indoors.
thought it was gonna take up way more room.
Well, originally there was going to be a second attachment, like the other side, like another version of that, but on this side, which it could have fit.
It looks good.
Yeah.
I'm really impressed. I was a bit nervous about Andrew putting a gym in the garage, but it's actually pretty good.
Yeah. See,
And it's good because we can still fit the car in, so
Yeah,
that was my only concern.
Yeah, Renee's like, you can do whatever you want. Just
Yeah,
about
because he was like, we don't need a garage. I'm like, well, we do.
Yeah, garage is for a recovery centre and a gym.
Yeah.
That's what I know it's for.